If you're 55 and above and wants to withdraw your CPF, this video is for you. I'll show you step by step, including how to link your PayNow account so that your CPF money can be paid out quickly after bank verification. Just follow along. Now before we begin, please be careful. CPF withdrawal should only be done by you on CPF official website. Never share your SingPass one-time password OTP or bank details with anyone. After you receive the money, use it for your own use and plans, and be extra cautious of high returns investment or people asking you for money. Scams are very common and always should verify before you act. Now let's go. Now go to CPF website at cpf.gov.sg, click Tools and Services. Scroll down under Forms and E-Services, click View Forms. Scroll down under Retirement Withdrawal. This form allows you to apply to make retirement withdrawals for immediate cash needs and receive payments via PayNow almost instantly or via interbank gyro. Click Apply online. CPF members can make withdrawal from their CPF savings starting from age 65. Scroll down, you may click I have read and accept the terms of use and click Start. Now log in using your SingPass. Once you log in, it will show you the amount you can withdraw from your CPF accounts. You may also change your daily withdrawal limits. Just click Account Settings. Next, key in the amount you would like to withdraw. Let's say you want to withdraw 10,000. A friendly reminder, if you do not have immediate needs, it is better to keep your saving in CPF to earn interest. Then click Next. Another friendly reminder, the government will never ask you to withdraw your CPF savings. These are your hard-earned money. Also avoid high returns with low-risk investment. Could it be a scam? If you suspect you are being scammed, you can call anti-scam helpline at 1799. Next is to confirm your bank account details. Payment usually takes up to 5 working days. But if you want to receive your money sooner, you can set your bank account to PayNow linked to your NRIC. Click Account Settings. By the way, if you want to change your daily withdrawal limits, you can click Update here. You can change to 10,000, 3,000 or even 1,000. Anyway, click back to go to Account Settings. Then scroll down to Bank Account and click Update to link the withdrawal to your PayNow account. Note that you will usually take 12 hours to activate. Then click Next. To confirm, click You have read and agreed to the terms and conditions. Then click Submit. You might be asked to verify your identity with a face scan. Click Proceed to complete the verification by SingPass. Then click Begin Scan. Once verification is done, CPF receives your application. 12 hours later, you can log into CPF website at cpf.gov.sg. Click Tools and Services. Scroll down under Forms and E-Services, click View Forms. Scroll down again under Retirement Income, click Retirement Withdrawal and key in the amount you like to withdraw. And that's it. But remember, this is your hard-earned money. Only withdraw what you truly need. If you have no immediate needs, keeping your saving in CPF allows it to continue earning interest. My name is Kenneth and I'll see you in my next video.